Yeah, me and Jim just stumbled upon this elevator. This is at Ridglea Renaissance. It's in Adams.
This is a small elevator.
It hit 2. I'm gonna get off at 2.
It's not the bumper.
It used to be vintage, but it's modern now. This is the Ridglea Renaissance.
This is an older mod too.
It's an older mod. Oh wow. I think it's around here. The Otis.
Yeah. We're trying to find, in case you guys are wondering. Yeah. I'm gonna look for what year this was installed, but it's gonna be off camera.
Okay.
So there it goes, and there it was, and that's it.